Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Infinix XBand, and on this video, as you requested, we'll have a demo or we'll show you the results of its pedometer accuracy or the step counter. So we have here some exercises or sports functions. So we tried the walking sports and we have here the exercise record. So we'll show you the results out of our 500 step test. Okay, we've done it twice. We have the results for both exercises, and we also have a record here on the support app. Okay, so we have here the app. So if you are interested to see the results for our activity, especially on the pedometer accuracy, watch this video, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the step counter of our Infinix XBand. On our test, we use the exercise function of this smartwatch. We have the walking. So we have the open goal. Okay. As you can see here, we have the time, the calories, and the distance. So we use the open goal for our test. And here are the results. So we have here the exercise records. As you can see here, we have our first one. We have our second one, but we are having a hard time remembering our count. So we have our second test. Then on our second test, we have it here. The first one, okay, we do have, as you can see here, the 4 minutes and 43 seconds with steps, 486 steps out of 500. Okay, so it's a bit off. We have the calories, 24 calories burned. We have the heart rate here, 89 beats per minute. 0.40 kilometers for the distance, and our category of exercise is warm up. Again, here's the result for our activity. Then on our second test, so this one, we stop on our activity for our second test. We noticed that the step counter is not counting and we lost the count. On our second test, we have 4 minutes and 46. As you can see, almost similar to the first one. So this is the third test, Okay. For the steps, we don't know what happened here, but it stopped counting. When it reached 326 steps, it's not recording anymore. So this is disappointing. We have a calories of 16, the average heart rate of 101 beats per minute, and at the distance of 0.27 kilometer. Warm up. As you can see here, something is wrong with our step counter. Okay, it only counted 326 steps out of 500. The first one is okay. The second one did not provide an accurate results. Okay, this is Infinix XBand. So we have, okay, let me adjust here. So we have here the results in the My Health. We have here our first one, or the third one, as you can see, 326 cumulative steps. We have the average heart rate, as well as our calories and average pace. So these are the details only for our walking steps. Here is our first one. much better results compared to our second test. Okay, the complete step. So 486 out of 500. I don't know why we only have 326 steps out of 500. Okay, so we have 1.61 kilometers total walking distance. The total of all the steps we have for this past few days. Okay, so these are the data that you will get when you have your exercise activity. So we have here our heart rate. Let's see. Okay, week, month. So we have here the graph for the monthly. We don't have the weekly graph. We have here the monthly graph. Okay, so I guess the step counter for the XBand is not that really accurate. We'll test it again to see if what is the issue. But so far, we don't have a very good results with our walking step activity for the Infinix XBand. If you have this one, okay, please try or please drop a comment and confirm our accuracy test for the Infinix XBand. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.